Hi, I've got something really exciting to share with you today. Our new M1 laser cutter and engraving tool from Xtool has arrived. So let's open it up and get excited here. So we get a lot of materials come with this. We'll talk about these things later, but and this is the deluxe model that comes with risers, which we'll talk about later why we would use that. It also comes with the rotary accessory kit, which is really good. Those can all be ordered separately. More rotary attachment bits. Premium materials package. Lots of good stuff to cut and do examples here. All right. It's out of here. All right. And actually go ahead and put that back together and let's flip it back up so they can see it. This thing weighs 54 pounds of the kit, so it's taking a second to get this situated for you. Excellent. So this model is a self-contained one, so you don't have to wear eye protection or anything to use it because it's got this protective cover on it that protects us while we're using it. There's some more materials in here. This is wood that we can cut on, etc. Instructions, power supply, boards. Spare cutting bits. As I said, it's a cutting tool as well. So when you're cutting vinyl and things like that, instead of using the laser, you're going to use the blade. So you don't burn sensitive materials like vinyl. This does have a smoke removal vent kit. That it comes with it with the flange that connects it so you can vent the kit, vent the smoke outdoors when you're burning with the laser. That's to attach that. And a bunch of other materials come in here. These are little triangular prisms that you use to sit the material up to raise the material. You can also use a honeycomb attachment on the floor. These are more mats that you can use depending on what we're cutting. And there you'll see. Let me see up inside it here. You can see the laser there. It slid down. And let me show you a little bit about the rotary tool. How to do this would be cut. With this, what we would do is we'd use a mat. Place a different mat depending on material, a sticky mat to hold material still for cutting on certain things, for engraving certain things. We can also use the rotary tool, which would be placed inside it and used for cutting things like wine glasses, engraving on wine glasses. Rotary options. So I'll show you the basic module here. These things on it that are adjustable. So if this would be, for example, a coffee mug that's stainless steel and you're going to rotate that and engrave on it, this will rotate the beverage container exactly how you need it to rotate. It's completely adjustable for different size items. For example, if you put them right next to each other for doing a pencil or a pen or something like that. It has 4 different functions for doing different types of things, but that's the basics of it. We'll probably do another video about the details of that. Yeah, there's a whole handout about all the different materials that come with the kit. You can engrave on jewelry, you can cut metal cards, you can cut cardboard, you can carve in stone, you can cut on wood, you can cut through 8 millimeters of wood or 10 millimeters of acrylic. Different kinds of wood. The kit comes with samples of all these. You can cut through craft paper. You can engrave on glass and steel. Again, all these materials are available from Xtool. And the printer will automatically recognize the coating materials, which is a really great feature. It comes with a lot of other fun things like key tags to engrave on, to customize some things. And then these are just put down in the base plate with the proper mat to hold it in place. And then you can carve. You would connect this to your laptop, obviously, and download your design. You just start and stop the printer with the start button. So it's very safe and very simple to use. All right, we'll have a lot more details for you later in our next video.